Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to shortlist a candidate for your job post on Upwork. So if you post a job and you receive proposals and you don't want to hire the person just yet but want to shortlist them, let me show you how to do that. So on the upper left hand side, hover over hire talent and click on job post and proposals. And you will find your current job post here and click on the view proposals right here, and you will see the list of persons who applied for the role. So you can find a person that you want to shortlist, and all you really have to do is look towards the lower left hand side and drag right below their picture, and you will find the thumbs up or thumbs down button. Thumbs up button is really shortlist, so you can click on that and you will have the person shortlist. Now once you shortlist the persons, then you'll be able to view shortlist on the upper left hand side as well. So here you can see your proposals and you see your shortlist and so forth. But that's really it, guys. Very easy and very simple.